welcome back to Who and the Daddy. Well, today we have Mr. Diamond here, and he is here to talk to me today about this girl. So tell me, sir, what is the issue?
Well, a lot of things are going around now, you know, lots of things. I have my girl giving me bun, I feel.
So she's giving you bun, sir?
Yeah, she's giving me a lot of bun. There was this day when the girl walked past my girlfriend, you know, punching my baby mother, my everything, you know. Walk past and my bridge and just say, ah, yes, so nice.
Well, Mr. Diamond, you claim she's giving you bun, but let us hear what she has to say about it.
I don't know why Diamond carry a panda show here. I'm telling you, me and him alone are okay. I don't know why. I'm baby cute. Cute like you. Diamond, why you carry a panda show here? Now become a boom boom turn up me and tell me I'm more than one man. Diamond, you're wicked. And you don't
You heard what she had to say on tape. But let us bring her out. Punchy, come on, let's see.
I can't tell you something.
What do you have to
The
say?
amount of time I buy this girl beef, she never happy.
My ear up look good, my ear up look good, you.
But you always have a head cap on your
I'm not
head.
steal out my hairstyle for you. I'm not give one Diamond.
Look for me. Think man a fool. Look for me.
Stop them business for you.
Let me ask you a question. Why my friend always say you're so nice when you walk past?
I don't want to ball in Diamond. I'm not here no one.
You take man for fool.
I don't want no balling. Oh, Diamond on the pan TV. What? More serious. I grew up like French Trisha. Big up yourself, man. Butcher, I used to number one. I always say French like, yeah. Cause I always no.
Go sit down, man. You're too embarrassed.
Embarrassed that you can't control me again.
You know, give me ball.
You say you're good up with it, do it by the
Probably a whole picnic and a jacket.
Jackie,
Brass
you look like him here are blacks like
Look
you.
pan the blood clot skin color. No look like, not like me.
I'm a father, James.
With that 30T boy there.
Well, you ask me for him, but don't know me, he's not in Keeper, he's not Google Maps.
I want to see him.
Well, we're going to bring that Cersei team by President.
Let me that bumbo. Let me excited, with the blood clot. Yo, what's going on, Punchy?
Diamond!
Yes.
Sit down.
Okay.
I'm not even trying you, eh?
Punchy, what about last night, Punchy?
With the bumbo clot. No. Look at cheese.
What's your problem, man? What's going on? I just came on the show to have a good time and drink a Cersei tea. What's Cersei tea?
Excuse me, people. The results are in. We're going to find out about this baby right now. Prince Vince, Mr. Cersei T. In the case of little black baby,
Yeah.
you are not the father.
So tell your babes! Babes, tell your babes!
Are you reading that right?
Yeah,
Babes, tell your
Mr. Diamond. As for you, sir, in the case of little black baby, you are not the father either, sir.
I want it bumbo clot.
Over here.
Shut your bumbo.
I don't understand what you're trying to say. Shut your bumbo.
Press trigger, me no press people more. Nobody can come face me with some. Like how me have 22 in a me son. Then I feel so forget the next 1,000 fool. Press trigger, me no press people more. Nobody can come face me with some. Like how me have 22 in a me son. Then I feel so forget the next 1,000 fool. Anytime you ready, put now we see start war. See me with this spread it out from my style is the bomb, the dang, diggy. Karoom boy don't play with the bomb, the dang, diggy. My style is the bomb, the dang, diggy. Karoom boy don't play with the bomb, the dang, diggy. Go now we sit down and now watch your man a live. Watch your man a who a roll big.